Amazing changes to the body when you consume oatmeal every single day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. As such, we should give our best to make it as healthier as possible. If you were in doubt which foods to consume in the morning, it is time to change that. Oatmeal is one of the best foods that you should have for breakfast. Besides increasing your satiety and boosting your energy levels, oatmeal offers plenty of other health benefits, including the ability to treat intestinal tract and neural problems, pores and skin conditions, and uterine problems. Oats are packed with vitamin E, vitamin B1, antioxidants, phenolic acidity, selenium, phosphorus, magnesium, biotin, molybdenum, copper, molybdenum, etc. Half a mug of oatmeal has 13 g of proteins, while 1/4 serving has the recommended daily intake of manganese. Consuming oatmeal for breakfast will make you feel full longer, thus prevent weight gain and obesity. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, meaning that it will not lead to a spectacular drop or increase in the blood sugar levels. Oatmeal reduces total calorie consumption throughout the day up to 80%. This, in turn, prevents overeating. Oatmeal has other benefits as well, including strengthens the immune system, prevents breast cancer. It is a great source of fiber. It is beneficial for people suffering from celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Reduces cholesterol amounts. Prevents asthma. Balances blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and heart problems. You can prepare in different ways. Instant oatmeal grains, partly cooked and thin rolled. Old-fashioned oats, flat formed, which they become after getting steamed and rolled. Oat bran, the exterior layer from the oat through under the hull. Steel sliced oats, finely sliced oat grains with a chewy and dense consistency. Quick preparing oats, prepared like outdated oats but sliced before to being twisted. Oat groats, unflattened kernels. Always choose the less processed oats. You can add them to your shakes, muffins, smoothie, and yogurt. Start consuming oatmeal every single day and watch the changes that will happen to your body.